Hello YouTube, my name is Don Brandt. Today we're going to be building a microphone stand. So let's get to work. I'll be using 3/4 inch brass stock to start.
That's nice. Making a microphone stand. For sure.
The main focus of this video will be building the swivel top and building the base. Having the mic directly in front of me will make it much easier to do voiceovers and narration. I'd like to take the time to give a shout out to Josh Woodward. Josh, thank you so much for posting your music and letting us use it. When I started this video, I'm actually in the middle of another video, and I was noticing the problems I was having with the microphone. I just decided to put that video on hold and go ahead and make this one. So I'm building this stand with items I had laying around the shop. This is a piece of steel rod that's in my junk drawer, and the base was also in the scrap pile as well. We're going to go ahead and drill a 3/8 inch hole through this piece of brass that will fit on the top part of the post for the microphone stand. And here it is, a pretty nice fit. Now I'm going to finish this brass piece off by rounding over the edges on both sides. Now a quick tool change out. Coming up, I'm going to show you a detail of how this is going to go together. I'll be using a 1.5 inch cap head bolt with a nylon nut, 2 washers, and a split washer for tension. Now I'll show you the assembly of that part we just looked at. The 1/4-20 cap head bolt will extend into the 3/8 inch drilled hole. This will put pressure on the shaft to keep it from rattling or wobbling loose. So now let's go over and make the base. I used to have sandpaper, and this was a sanding disc. Pay close attention to the center of the disc while it's being cut. Don't take your eyes off the center. Here it comes. Wow, that was really weird. I may have forgot to take my meds today. Anyway, the G4000 Grizzly Lathe runs beautifully. And now I have a pretty cool mic stand I made myself. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Seriously, go down and click the like button right now. Comments are always appreciated, and thanks for watching.